Hello, nature lovers. Today I have got a magical medicinal plant. Can you guess what is it? This plant full of 75 active compounds for glowing skin, hair, and total wellness. It is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and it also fights acne naturally. Have you tried aloe vera gel yet? Can you guess what makes it really powerful? Comment its name and the active compounds present in this plant. Okay, stay tuned for the further updates.
Like, comment, share this video. And follow me to see more medicinal plants. In the coming days.